Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Rohan here from Arnami. So today we are going to make two types of pizzas. So one is bread pan pizza, the other one is regular pizza. Let's get to it. Today I have taken 2 onions here. We'll chop it up roughly. Then we have taken 3 bell peppers, one red, one yellow, one green. We'll only use half of them each. Now we heat a frying pan. We'll pour about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now put the onions in. You just have to sweat them. We'll add some salt to it. Now when it's starting to become transparent, you can put your peppers in, bell peppers. Throw in some chili flakes and some oregano. After we saute them, we'll make some bread slices. Now we'll keep it in a pattern such that it makes a circle. So this will be the base of the pizza. So now what we are pouring over it is actually 2 eggs and a half cup of milk mixed. I've also put some chili flakes and oregano just to give it a pizza flavor. Now what essentially it does is makes like a Bombay toast. The base is just like a Bombay toast. Make sure it is in low flame. After this, we'll cut some breads into 1/3. This is what makes the crust. We'll pour the liquid once more. We'll top it up with the vegetables we have sauteed. Now we add some cheese to it. You could use mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. We'll add some olives to it, black olives. We'll add some chili flakes and oregano. You might want to cover it up so the heat inside melts the cheese properly. This is how it finally looks. These are the ingredients. Now we are making the traditional pizza. So what I am doing here is I am mixing 2 cups of flour with about 200 milliliters of warm water mixed with some yeast. Make sure the yeast is activated before you pour it in. you think it is sticky. At the end, the result should be a fluffy dough. Now we'll pat some olive oil over it. And now let it rest for 2 to 3 hours. Now we take a frying pan. We'll pour about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now we'll repeat the same process again. Now put the onions in. Bell pepper. Now we'll add some chili flakes and oregano to it. Take the dough, mix it properly. And now we'll flatten it with our fingers. Please do put a good amount of flour on the countertop or whatever surface you are placing the dough on. Now this is a pizza topping we bought. You could make pizza topping if you want, or you can even add tomato sauce and chili sauce also. Now we'll add the vegetables to it. We'll shred some cheese over it. You could round up the sides just to make it a bit more thicker. You can add some olives if you want to. Season it again with chili flakes and oregano. And now it's time to go into the oven. Capsicum, bell pepper actually same ആണ് അല്ലേ എന്ത് ചേച്ചി ആണോ അല്ലാന്നോ ടെക്നിക്കലി സെയിം അല്ല അതിന് ഫ്ലേവറിങ് ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആവും. ഓക്കെ അതൊക്കെ ഒരു വീട്ടിൽ നിന്നുള്ള സാധനങ്ങളാണ്. ഓക്കെ ഒരേ അമ്മയുടെ മക്കളാണ്. അത് ഞാൻ ചേട്ടൻ ചെറിയ ചെറിയ വ്യത്യാസങ്ങൾ കാണും. സംഗതി എല്ലാം ഒന്ന് തന്നെയാണ്. ബാക്ക്ഗ്രൗണ്ട് മ്യൂസിക് അത് അപ്പോൾ മറ്റേ ഇത് എടുക്കണം, മൈക്രോ ക്യാമറ. അപ്പൊ അടുത്ത് വെച്ചെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ചിക്കൻ ബ്ലർ അല്ലാതെ പറ്റൂല. അല്ലാതെയും പറ്റൂല മറ്റൊരു, പക്ഷെ DSLR വെച്ചൊന്നുമില്ല. cheese pizza. Say cheese. ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഡ്രോൺ എൻ്റെ വിരൽ വന്നു. ഇതിൻ്റെ അതേ ലെവല് തന്നെ.